money laundering has been a very, very hot topic in the last 15 or so years. And now it's even more important following the new enactment, which is the money laundering, terrorist financing, and information on PAIR regulation 2017. Therefore, the expected learning outcome from this workshop will be how to identify your own client, how to eliminate criminals and keep them away from your own office, how to assess risk, how to report to HM Treasury of any suspected activity of criminals, and finally, how to be safe.